Are there places in your home where you wish you had a light, but you don't?
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Wireless Instabulb, a battery-operated light bulb that you can install without an electrician. Just stick up the base, slide in the bulb, and you've got light. It's that easy. There's no wires and no complicated installation. Now you can have light anytime, any place, anywhere. Just stick it up, pull the cord, and you've got light. The Instabulb is safe for kids, and it easily puts light within their reach. Unlike glass bulbs that break, the Instabulb is shatterproof if you drop it. There's no dangerous wires to mess with either. The Instabulb installs instantly, stays cool to the touch, and has a 10-year guarantee. Around the house or on the car, don't use hot clip-on lights when you can use the Instabulb. The Instabulb is perfect for attics and basements. Have a closet that needs illumination? Use the Instabulb. Just stick it up and you've got instant light. Use one anywhere you need extra light. Nothing's easier to fit underneath the kitchen counter, and they're perfect inside for a tool shed if you don't have power. Use them outside as a wireless light for decks or patios, and they're great for camping and RVs. If the power goes out, you can depend on the power of the Instabulb, and each one slides out to become a handy lantern. This electrician charged $190 to install one light bulb. Call now and you'll get the Wireless Instabulb.